Okay, so this one should be pretty straightforward. I'm going to create two circles with these two radius or radii at this distance apart. I'll use a fillet to construct this radius and also a fillet to construct here. The only other object that I'm going to have to construct is a line through here before I can construct that fillet. Let's start with a circle center radius located here. Radius will be 15. And now it's going to kind of disappear off your screen a little bit. Just hit the zoom extents button here. And that'll bring it back. Then I'll zoom out a little bit. Next, let's create another circle center radius. Touch your circle, touch the center, and try to come out without activating any more O-snaps. Come down till you get the green tracking. Type in 85, enter, and then you're going to give yourself your radius, which is 36. To construct the fillet along here, just use the fillet command. Change your radius to 45. And then you have to click somewhere along here of this circle and somewhere along here. Next, let's go ahead and create a line from this quadrant going this direction. Remember that your quadrant need to be activated on your running O-snap, and that's simply just selecting here and then selecting quadrant. And I'm also going to make sure that I'm going horizontal by selecting ortho mode. I'll come right to the inside of this circle, right at about 75. So if you want to type in 75, that'll work as well. Then escape. Let's go ahead and create the fillet here. Fillet, radius, 18. Enter. And then I want to create my fillet between this line, so I have to select along this side of this line, and then this side of this circle. Trim, and then trim off the inner pieces. Escape, and that should be all you need to do to complete this one.